Hi everyone! So welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video guys, we are in walking street in Angeles, Pampanga. And this is like our first time to go in Angeles, Pampanga. And because one of my friends invite us to her daughter first birthday and questioning as well because I'm gonna be a card mother of her daughter. So guys, it's our first day in Angeles, Pampanga, and one of these gentlemen we met in the same hotel that we stayed with, which is Bird Hotel. So yeah, so they are also staying in Bird's Hotel. They probably staying there already like 2 weeks, I think. So while we are having breakfast at that Duke restaurant, which is in the same hotel. So we meet this gentleman who is staying there, and yeah, he gave us the tour on this walking street. We probably go to one of the bar. I forgot the name though, but yeah, we went there. We have like sunbig lights. We only went there like I can't remember. I think it was 15 minutes. So yeah, that was Harry and that's him. So I'm walking while doing vlogging, and also his girlfriend with me. So we are just walking on this walking street. So at the same time guys, I'm gonna give you a tour on this walking street by but daytime, because the last I make a vlog it was nighttime when we are doing a raw vlog on this walking street. So yeah, my first impression also about the walking street is it's okay. It's a lot of woman, and it's a lot of bars also open, that is really open, like has a similarity of Thailand walking street. And yeah, that's her girlfriend actually, next to me. It's very hot also, and we just walking general, give us a tour because, it's our first time, and it's already been there a couple of times. So he also came here in the Philippines every 3 months, and yeah, so after walking there, after we went to this is the end of the walking street. And that after that we went to this one of the bar that he already been there, and yeah, like they have some of the girls also dancing inside, but then we are not allowed to take a video, so I couldn't make a vlog inside. We just have a drink, and then after we have a drink we went to this big hotel, like it's a nice hotel guys. It's called AVC Hotel. They say it's a popular hotel and it's nice and kind of pretty nice when we went to that hotel. He also member of that hotel, so that's why he invite us to see this hotel. And it's nice hotel though. It's pretty nice, especially the lobby, the rooftop. We went to the rooftop. This hotel it has the spa also, the gym. And I think this gentleman, he is a friend of the owner of that hotel. So yeah, so we just walking here in the walking street, and right now this time it was 5 o'clock in the afternoon, which is one of some of the bars are already open, and some of the bars are also always open, like 24-hour open. So that's why we went to that one bar, because they already open. And I asked the girl what time they open. She said they open like 5 o'clock afternoon until 3 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, so this is the part of the walking street. So yeah, that's all this probably the 24-hour open of this bar, or maybe some of them they already start opening because it's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's still hot. You see, as you can see, the sun is still hot. Ano, magsi 7 years kami. This year, mag 7 years. init. So medyo malayo ka dito.
Hindi, malapit lang.
Ah, malapit lang din.
5 minutes.
Ganun, dami dito. Sexy naman nila. Dati kasi mapayat ako nung ano na namin, nung unang ano.
Laman-laman nga ako. Nakakilala ko na nga lang ako pumayat sa stress.
Oh,
Go to Pampanga.
ah, okay. So this is the hotel, guys, that he gave us the tour. This is called ABC Hotel, like the alphabet hotel, alphabet. So yeah, it's pretty nice, guys, and this is the lobby, and yeah, the lobby is nice, and yeah, that's the lobby, guys. It's pretty nice. Look at that. That's the name, ABC Hotel. And this is the one that I told you guys that
So this is
it has the rooftop,
this is
and that's
ABC.
like the
This is
one of my
ABC
favorite
hotel.
on this hotel, the
Huh?
rooftop, guys, like
ABC.
mini bar in the rooftop. And they also have spa on this hotel. It's quite big, actually, this hotel, and it has a swimming pool also, spa, and the rooftop. Later on, guys, I will show you the rooftop that it has the mini bar. And actually, this is his girlfriend, and that's him, that's Harry. This one, this stair goes to probably the room, but we never went there. And this is going to the rooftop. So yeah, this is like this one has that's the swimming pool, guys, and also the rooftop, it has the swimming pool.
Nice.
So yeah, so this is the swimming pool,
Nice hotel, huh?
and that's probably all the rooms there with the mini bar. So yeah, the swimming pool is pretty nice also, and this has all of that what should I say, like decoration, like a mannequin, a monkey mannequin. They're cute. Look at how cute they are. Look at that. And I think I remember we already saw this on one of the bloggers. They probably went on this place. So yeah, and yeah, that's the. So when you enter in the rooftop, you need to wear something like red bracelet that they're gonna give you, because I think when you order a drink in the rooftop, they will charge you towards your bracelet. As you can see, Harry wearing the red bracelet, guys. So that's the one. So when you order, it has a number. Every bracelet, that red bracelet, it has a number. And every time you order anything in this rooftop, they will charge you through your bracelet number. So when you come out, so then you're gonna pay them when you come out. So this is the rooftop. This is like, oh my god, it's so amazing. And this is like, it has every corner. It's like private if you want, and like one whole family like this. And it has a swimming pool also. This is the mini bar on that rooftop. And it has the band. It's just I mute it because it has some music, and I don't want to be copyrighted. So yeah, so this is like, this has a games on this one. So yeah, it's this, that's the one, that's the barn over there, and this is the swimming pool. Even while I'm walking under that is already swimming pool, like it has a hiding under that it's already a swimming pool, guys. So look at that, look at the view. It's a beautiful view. You can see like all over Angeles, Pampanga, and I walk toward to this side, and that's the clock, is in clock. You can see the is in clock. Look at that view, guys. It's a beautiful view. It's very nice hotel also. And I think maybe, you can also see this hotel is very nice, is ABC Hotel. And that's the is in. That's the clock is in. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing view. It's like, if you want to relax, you can relax with a beautiful view, but it's kind of noisy because they already have a music. And a lot of people also, this is the part of the hotel, EVC, that's the name. Also, this one is a part of the hotel. It's quite big. This hotel is quite big. But we never see the room, but they say it's nice. It has like a light. It has a, this hotel, if I remember, I think it was $100, or I think more than $100, that price. So yeah, after this, so we went to go back to our hotel to get ready because I'm going to meet my friends. So yeah, it's like first time meeting my friends, guys, that from Germany, it has from Cebu. So it's gonna be like, I'm excited to meet them also, because, and yeah, so I'm excited to meet them also, guys. So that's the one of the reason why we came here in Angeles, Pampanga. It's because I'm going to meet them, and also I'm gonna be godmother of my friend's daughter. So that's also one of the reason why we came in here in Pampanga. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. And hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.